Sick of staring at that dead USB port? Let's get to the bottom of why it's not working, and what you can do about it. You might just save yourself a trip to the mechanic. First, double-check that you're using a quality USB cable. Sometimes, cheap or damaged cables are the real culprit. Try swapping out your cable before you do anything else. Next, look for debris in the port itself. Dust and crumbs can block a connection. Carefully clean out the port with a toothpick or some compressed air. If your HRV still isn't charging or connecting, check your car's fuse box. The USB port runs on a specific fuse, so if it's blown, the port won't work. Your owner's manual will show you which fuse to check and how to replace it. Still out of luck? Some Honda HRV models need a software update to fix USB glitches. Ask your dealership about updates, or try resetting your infotainment system by holding down the power button. Finally, remember, some USB ports only support charging, not data transfer. If your phone won't connect for music or CarPlay, try a different port if your HRV has more than one. With these tips, you'll be back to charging and streaming in no time. Don't let a tiny port ruin your drive.